Hello YouTube, I'm going to use my channel to show you this, but you could do it with anybody's channel. So my channel is called Leon Creator, and here look, you see my little thumbnail, click on that, and that takes you through to my main homepage. There I am there, look. And what you'll see there is where it says videos. I'm just going to click on that. And that's the most important word, that videos word. When you click on that, you can see here it's got latest videos, popular videos, and oldest videos. You just want to be on the latest to start with. And then if you scroll down, this will show you all of the videos ever made by that particular YouTuber. I think most people that watch YouTube are watching videos that are suggested to them by YouTube, and that's fair enough. That's a perfectly good way of doing it. But this just gives you that other option of going into a home page and literally looking at every video that that person has ever recorded, and it just gives you a lot of instant choice. I teach in quite a few adult education centres, and quite a few of my students have never heard that you can do this on YouTube. They had no idea that you could click on somebody's homepage and click where it says videos, and then literally be able to see every video that they've ever made. Right, there's another thing you can do as well, which is called playlists. You might have heard of this. So, for example, on my channel, because I'm interested in lots of different things, I have created lots of playlists. So, if you go here, look where it says playlists on the home page, click on that, and that will show you all of the playlists a particular person has made. So, in my case, I've done 10 different ones. You can see them all laid out here. So for example, I have, some animation ones. I've got ones that are drawing and painting tutorials and things. There are sculpting videos. There's ones about the exotic animals that I used to keep, ones about 80s toys, and ones about other things that I collect and nature walks, all this kind of thing. So you can find one particular one. So I'm clicking on here where it says My Sculpts. So this is like all of the things that I've made. It's mainly creatures from movies and that kind of thing. But probably some of you might have seen my sculpting videos, some of you might not. If you haven't, this is the chance to kind of scroll down this whole list and see all the different movie creatures that I've made, all the creatures that I've made that are not from movies, ones that I've made up, and various other bits and bobs that I've made over the years. So if you have a little look on the left hand side, you'll see some of the people that I'm subscribed to. And you can see people like Beard Meats Food, massive YouTubers. Also, Froggy Flips and Colin Furs, absolutely huge with like millions of subscribers. But what's really cool about this is you can go to their channel, look on their homepage, click where it says videos, and you can scroll back through in chronological order, so you can go right back to the very beginning of their YouTube journeys, and you can see the kind of videos they were putting out right when they first started. It's really interesting. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hit subscribe to see anything that I post up in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.